Where is Raphael Tuju? You see, in Kenya, when a politician disappears, the nation immediately forms three committees. Number one, we have WhatsApp analysts. Two, we have Twitter detectives. And three, we have barbershop constitutional experts. The disappearance of Tuju has therefore triggered a very Kenyan national reflex. Everyone suddenly remembers that politics is not just about manifestos. It is also about court cases. It is about land matters. It is about alliances. And it's also about the mysterious system. Some Kenyans are saying his disappearance is strategic silence. Others are whispering the system never loses your number. It only postpones your appointment. And the more philosophical wananchi are quietly observing that Kenyan politics has a habit of turning yesterday's insider into today's headline and tomorrow's cautionary tale. What makes the situation especially dramatic is that reports indicate his car was found abandoned in Karen after he had already expressed concerns about his safety amid ongoing legal disputes linked to property matters. Naturally, in Kenya, once a car is found abandoned, the public imagination immediately shifts from Chapter 6 of the Constitution to Episode 6 of a political thriller series. A seasoned Kenya political observer might summarize the moment like this. In Kenya, power is like a matatu seat. Today you are conductor, tomorrow you are passenger, and the day after tomorrow you are asking the driver why the door is still open while the vehicle is moving. At a deeper level, the public reaction also reflects something uniquely Kenyan. People are concerned, people are curious, people are suspicious, people are prayerful and humorous all at the same time. And that combination, ladies and gentlemen, is practically our unofficial national ideology. Still beyond the jokes, the disappearance of any public figure reminds Kenyan of an important civic principle. You see, regardless of politics, accountability, transparency, and personal safety must remain national priorities. My question to us today again is, where is Raphael Tuju?